There was a few comments on my video I did yesterday about glow plugs. I seem to have struck a chord with a lot of people. So it was suggested in the description that I should do a video comparing an OEM glow plug and a Chinese one for the time it would take. So what I've done is I've just rigged up something simply. I've just got a battery with the jumper leads on, and I've clamped the glow plugs in a vise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and zoom in a bit more, so you've got the idea which is which. This is the OEM one, and this is the Chinese one. Now I was going to put a timer on it, but after having a practice I don't think I really need to, and these have cooled down now, you see, they're not even warm, so that's, I'm not cheating. So I'm going to put the ground on a glow plug, and I've used the original 300 TDI wiring, so we're not cheating. Alright, so here we go. Smoke action. I think we have a winner. There you go. Now before we burn that out, let's have a look and see how long it takes to cool down. There you go, you see, still heating the OEM one. There you go. So I'm going to leave these cool down, and then I'm going to do something even more interesting. I'm going to get the thermal imaging camera out, and we're going to do one at a time, and we're going to have a look at the heat. They should be the same, but it'll give you an idea of how quickly they heat up. So just as they do in the football, we're going to change halves. So this time it's China versus OEM Italy. It's a bit of fun for us. We could put some dramatic music on. As I use the TDI wiring harness, the glow plug harness, we've actually got two wires. So it might have been cheating by putting power at this side, and this one got the benefit, whereas the Chinese one, we didn't get anything at all. So let's be fair. Let's plug this one on. Not plug it on, but we're going to clip it on, and you're going to see what happens. Oops, there we go. Well, I think this is Italy 2, China 0. Look at that, they're pathetic, aren't they? Look at how bright that is. Look at that. It's only been on for a few seconds. So, let's turn it off and see the cool down. See, it's still, you know, they're still warm. I can see this one's a little bit darker, but this one's still pretty warm. So, I think that's conclusive proof. You'll pay more for the originals, but you'll get better results. These things I do for you guys, eh? Alright. So this is going to be a little bit difficult to shoot. There's the glow plug, but as you can see from the camera, the lens is offset, so I might I'm looking through a camera, so this could be interesting. So the temperature of the glow plug is 15 degrees approximately. So I'm going to try and focus in on this, if you can see, and clip this at the same time. There we go. Oh, this damn thing only goes to 180 degrees. Well, that was a waste of time. Oh well, never mind. But we know which is the outright winner. I didn't realise that only went to 180 degrees. That's bloody useless, isn't it? So I think we've established that the OEM part is a lot better than the Chinese parts. They work, the Chinese ones, but they're a bit slow. And what's the most important thing is, you know, when you've got your timer's only going to run for a certain limited amount of time, depending on the temperature, the ambient temperature. So, sort of in midwinter or something like this, well, you might get away with it. But these ones are going to warm up far quicker and going to stay warm longer. So I think you get what I'm trying to say. Although not a lot of people use glow plugs, you know, apart from very cold climates like we've got, that heating up quick is very important, because on these ones here, by the time the timer's gone through its cycle, these are just starting to get warm, and then it switches off. So 3 times more expensive, but 10 times better, in my opinion. Talk to you later.